blessing to see people with their heads up to the sky still. Cause honestly, for the same people, life can be so real.
Yes. Okay, let's start by doing these brows, shall we? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. This is another Valentine's Day look. And yes, I'm doing my brows as per usual, according to Amarizi, as per usual. My brows are done, and I'm going in with my foundation. This is by L'Oreal, and this is their Pro Glow foundation. As I've said many times before, it is okay. It is not my favorite thing to use, but for this video, I chose to use it. To do my highlight, I'm using my Fawn by LA Pro Conceal, and I forgot how pigmented this thing was. Like, you guys honestly do not need a lot. Like, those 3 swipes, look at how highlighted I look. I probably only needed just 2, but you know, your girl's a little bit extra. She's a little bit extra. And I was having conversations off camera. So now I'm going to set everywhere I highlighted, like my forehead, under my eyes, my chin, my nose and stuff. I'll be setting it with my Sasha Buttercup powder. Every time I'm doing a voiceover, you guys hear Jonathan's. Jonathan's. God. Now, for my all over face powder, instead of going with my usual classic espresso, I'm going in with Shades by Gyal contour palette, and I'm using that color right there to set everywhere else. Hey, Jonathan. Here comes Jonathan. So this is my Morphe M palette, and I'll be taking this color, and this will be going on my brow bone bubble. Now it's a little bit light for my brow bone, but you know, we makes it work, hunty. We makes it work. And here comes Jonathan. Then I'm going to with this brown color, and I'm going to be placing that on my crease. Now this look is strictly in Japan. It's a Valentine's look, but in Japan they celebrate the women, give the men chocolate on a specific day. And I found that very interesting when I was doing my little research. So that's why I'm doing a little brown look, you know, to represent the chocolate given to the men on that day. And I think the men, a month after, they give the women stuff, they give them flowers or roses. So right now, oh gosh, Jonathan. Right now, I'm going to be taking my LA Pro Primer in black, and I'll be using it as a base. And I'll be using my I'll be blending it out with my fingers as usual, as you guys see me here doing, because my nails aren't that tall, so it can work. So now I'm going in with my Nubian palette. It's the very first palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm putting this color all over my lid. Do you guys find it very interesting that all these palettes that we're buying, they're somewhat out of style when they're probably out of stock, or like they'll be in style and hyped up for like a good month or 2, and then you don't hear nothing about them, and like people stop using them in their tutorials? I find that extremely weird. Anyway, so I'm sorry I'm rambling in this voiceover, because I feel like everything I'm doing is kind of self-explanatory. But right here, I'm kind of pinching the brush a little bit, and I'm just working that color in my crease. What I should have done is got my MAC 217. The 217 would have done the job way easier, instead of having to pinch that brush, the 224. So now I'm taking that color from the Nubian palette, and I'm just placing it close to my happy area there, because I wanted to keep the browns going, but I wanted to add a little bit of color for the sake, for the lack of a better word, a little bit of color, but not too much. This is the 217, and this is the brush that I just went in with to kind of blend out that area some more, because I was still seeing lines of demarcation. Then my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, taking that like brownish orange color. It's more orangey brown. Yeah, the orangey brown color, and I'm putting it in that area of my eyes where I like to put color, because sometimes my eyes look void of color. Then I'm going to place it. See, I'll put on the side of my brush. Then I'm going to put it right under my brow bone to give my brow bone some color. Because remember, I have put the white up there, but I don't mind when I put white on my brow bone, because I can work with it. This is the LA Pro Primer in black that I use as my base. I've been using it on my waterline. I've been using it on my lips. Girl, The only thing I use it do is roll on. The only thing I roll on is soap. And the only thing I do use it for is for being and put it under my arm. I did sing bar, it turns up. Then I'm going with my ankle liner. And I went in with the ankle liner because the ankle liner is skinnier. So back in with my Nubian palette, I'm taking that color, just putting it close to my happy area again, just to add a little bit of light to that area. Then I'm taking this brown from my what's it called, the Morphe 350S palette, and I'm putting it right underneath my my lash line. Alright, then I'm taking my Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette, and even this, from when I don't see the Hourglass Lighting palette used in a video, I remember when it came out, it was all hyped up, it was like the glow of all glows, and now using this, it seems dull. Like back then, this thing was bright, but now using it, it just seems dull in comparison to everything else. This is all. Oh, I'll put this color in the description bar along with everything else that I use. But this is by Cali Cosmetics. Oh, it's called Rain. Yes, it's called Rain, and it's from Cali Cosmetics. It's there. I think it's a metallic lip gloss because this has the doe foot applicator and not the brush applicator like the gloss. Then I've been using eyeshadows, guys, as my blush, and I'm not embarrassed about it. But this is the look, you guys. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. As usual, if you do recreate this look, please use the hashtag LyricRochester so I can see it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting. Please click like because it truly helps. It supports my channel. It helps other people to see me, and I come up in other people's feeds and stuff. So it would really help me to just click like and comment if you want to. Okay, guys, bye.